Alright guys, we are on our way to the dealership to try and get that check engine light there taken care of. It's a dreary day out, and yeah, at least it's not snow. But I did take this to my local diesel mechanic, about a mile from my house, and he's basically locked out of some of the technology on the truck. He has the most updated software from Snap-on, but it still isn't enough to get him in. You know, Ram wants you to go to the dealership. So that's where we're going. Not much fun. It's about a 35-minute drive. It's a good dealership. I don't hold anything against them, but it's really annoying that much like Deere and probably most of the companies out there anymore now, locking you out of the technology. Thank you, mailman, for whipping out in front of me. Locking you out of the technology so you can't either fix it yourself or have somebody closer to your house or a little less expensive fix it. So anyway, I'll catch up with you when we get to the dealership. Maybe they'll have some cool cars or stuff there we can look at while they plug into the truck and see what's going on. Alright, so we're here at the dealership. I've been here a little while, and they did take a peek at the truck. I wanted to get out and take a walk around here. Don't want to make you guys dizzy. There's a lot of new cars here. There's some new trucks and things behind that building, but it has been raining steady or pouring the whole time we were here, so I didn't want to go out in the rain, and I don't know, you know, if the lens gets all dirty, you're not going to see anything anyway, or gets a raindrop on it. So the code has been cleared. They had this paper that he was showing me, so I asked him for a copy of it. So this is basically what the code was. It was a U3017, and these are the probable causes of why, or possible causes why, that code could pop up. A lot of the stuff is very basic and stuff I can check myself. So I'm going to look at a couple of these things, but basically what they told me was to whatever it is at this point is not going to affect the performance of the truck, won't leave me stranded type of thing. So you know, he cleared the code, told me to drive it. If it comes back on, they'll have me come back and do the diagnostic work on it. This is a very, very good dealership here. They do quality work. A lot of people know that, and they are extremely backed up. So they're trying to take things on a case-by-case basis of people who are either stranded, broken down, possibly could be left stranded. You know, those are the cases that they're taking care of first. You know, with everything that's been going on in the world, that's the situation right now. So maybe I'll get lucky, the light won't come back on, or maybe it'll be something that I can take care of. So that's where we're at with this, and you know, we'll take it from there.